These are the 11.5 notes for Algebra 2. We're going to be using both formulas today and writing what we call an explicit formula. That just means something that can be used to find any term in the list, which is why they're leaving the letter N as the letter N. So example number 1, write an explicit formula for a sub n, the nth term of the sequence, if a sub 1 is 5 and d equals 7. So d equals 7 tells you automatically that it's arithmetic. And so we know which formula we're going to be using, this one right here. And you want to leave all of your n's as n's and plug in the rest of the numbers. A sub 1 is 5. Leave the n as an n. And then the common difference is 7. And that's all we need to do for that one. That is what we call an explicit formula. That way somebody could come in and plug in whatever n they wanted. Example 2, write an explicit formula. If the first term is 21 and r equals 1/3, so when you have that r, you know then it's geometric. So we're just going to put all the numbers in the correct place. We're going to do a sub n equals 21 and then multiply the 1/3 to the n minus 1. And we'll just leave it like that. All right, go ahead and pause the video, see if you can do 3 and 4. All right, you should have gotten for this one a sub n equals 103 plus n minus 1 times -5. And for number 4, a sub n equals 43 times -6 to the n minus 1. All right, the next set of problems, they're just going to give us a little bit less information, and we're going to have to do some investigating to figure out whether it's arithmetic or geometric, and again, get the common difference or common ratio. So example number 5, it starts with 210, then it goes to 214, then it goes to 218. I notice right away that that's an adding of 4 each time. So I know this one is arithmetic. And my common difference is going to be 4. Remember, if you need help finding the common difference, you do the second term minus the first term. Second term minus the first term. Once we have those pieces of information, then we just plug it into our formula and put that 4 right there. Okay. Example number 6. You have 30, then 90, and then 270. So when I notice that 270 is quite a large number compared to the 30 and the 90, so that makes me think that it's multiplication geometric. So 30 times what makes 90? And then does that same thing multiplied give me 270? So I'm going to find my common ratio by doing 90 divided by 30. That gets me 3. So then I'm just going to double check to make sure that that's correct. 30 times 3 is 90, yes. 90 times 3 is 270. That is correct. So this one is geometric. See if you can write that formula, put everything in the right place. All right, so you should have a sub n equals 30 times 3 in the parentheses n minus 1. All right, we've got 2 more on the back side, as well as the formulas at the front. Okay, this one is geometric. And 4 divided by 8, you could either write as 1/2 or 0.5. So a sub n equals 8 times 1/2 n minus 1, or again, the 1/2 could be a 0.5. All right, last one. This one looks like I'm subtracting a number. So to figure out what that number is, do the second term minus the first term, and we get -12. So that's arithmetic, as if I'm adding a negative. So we would have 75 plus n minus 1 times negative 12.